Welcome to the barbecue walk of flame, everyone. No cooking on my Weber Q today. It's winter time here in the UK, and outdoors today it's very windy, cold and extremely wet, and I for one don't get any pleasure at all in trying to cook in those conditions, unlike a nice warm summer's day where there's nothing more pleasurable. Back in the summer, I had yet another birthday. I get one every year, you know. But when you get to my age, you often wish you didn't. But the one redeeming feature is the gifts I get from my family and friends, many of them barbecue related. So here's my birthday unboxing and review. First up, Weber barbecue tools. Tongs, spatula and fork. If only I could get them out of the box. Packaging. Who invents this stuff? Well, that's the tongs. The fork. Unbelievable. At last, the spatula. These tools are about 3 times more expensive than the original ones I purchased when I first got my Weber Q. Having said that, these cheaper supermarket tools are still quite serviceable. As you can see, the rubber coating on the handles is wearing away. That's all thanks to the dishwasher. These Weber tongs have quite a thick rubber handle attached to the metal. The Weber tongs are quite a few inches longer than my old ones, which is quite handy when cooking at high temperatures. These tools have a nice feel to them. They're quite sturdy and are well balanced. The spatula has a fine chamfered leading edge, which is useful on occasions when food being cooked sticks to the grill. The tongs are easy to open and have nice wide jaws and a good set of teeth, great for turning those large joints of meat. There's a large hanging loop on each implement, which means they're easy to remove from the tool rack. And they also fit onto the Weber Q's tool rack, which my old set didn't. Should you wish to know more about the products reviewed in this video, or indeed cooking on my Weber Q, then all you have to do is sub my channel. Simply click that button, activate and ding the bell, and I promise you won't miss a thing. And now for another gift. Weber leather barbecue gloves. These gloves come with a handy loop for hanging and are made from soft suede with soft leather for the palm of the hand and fingers. They have a generous gauntlet offering wrist and forearm protection. I already have a pair of knitted heat-resistant barbecue gloves, which I got from Amazon at a fraction of the cost of these Weber gloves. So to compare, both have a knitted heat-resistant inner layer. You can just about see it here inside the leather glove. With the leather gloves, you could possibly hold a very hot item for a little longer before it becomes too hot to handle, although I have not put this to the test. Regarding flexibility, it's the knitted gloves every time. At the moment, Being new, the leather gloves are quite stiff. I guess over time, with use, they could become more subtle. I shall just have to wait and see. The knitted gloves offer good heat protection, very little restriction of movement, and are somewhat more comfortable. Whilst these leather gloves are a much appreciated gift, they will remain in my barbecue box as spares. My original, unbranded, knitted gloves remain the barbecue gloves of choice. Well, that's all for now, folks. So from me, the dude with the food, the old geezer at the grill, it's goodbye and thanks for watching.